Today we have some breaking news about Pump.fun because finally we have some rumors that Pump.fun is planning to do a pre-sale, and actually it's gonna be a huge pre-sale. That's why today we're gonna talk about all the details, when it's coming, and of course, should you participate. First of all, let's jump into the article which brought us this breaking update because they have all the details we need, and you can also find all the links in the description. So Pump.fun plans $1 billion token sale at $4 billion valuation. So you can see how greedy Pump.fun is, because actually they managed to make around $700 million from all the user activity on their platform. And I've seen lots of news about Pump.fun team actually cashing out their Solana to stablecoins and fiat currency, basically cashing out their income. And it was really bad for Solana community, for the trenches, for the meme coin traders, because of course it hit Solana really hard. Next up on this article, we have some additional rumors about the token, which is really important. So the token will be sold to public, basically retail investors and people watching my video. So everyone will be able to buy these tokens at this valuation. And also private investors like VC funds, probably influencers, and some other partner project. Next up, we still don't know about when this pre-sale launches, but I've seen rumors on Twitter, on Telegram, some big accounts we're talking about in the next few weeks. So if you're looking for the next opportunity to actually lose your money, this time to the big player, it's happening pretty soon. Mark your calendars. Next up, again, we have some info about the $4 billion valuation. Basically, they're aiming to become the next big unicorn. That's why they have this big amount. And my opinion is a total cash grab, and investors will lose money because evaluation is crazy. Also, the platform is really profitable because you can see the app has already generated over $700 million in the revenue according to the Blockworks research. And actually, this information is public. Again, I will leave all the links where you can actually track Solana's top protocols by fees. So basically, just to recap, they already made almost $1 billion from the fees on their platform, and now they're asking for $1 billion more. They plan to keep 75% of the supply for themselves. So I think this is a really bad project. And guys, if you want to catch these updates early, you can actually follow my Twitter, the link in the description, where I actually post about different projects, updates, which is way faster than doing these videos because of course these videos require editing, thumbnails. So if you want to catch all of these updates quick, the link in the description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and join our VIP group. Links in the description.